In life, we often find ourselves caught between two powerful forces, ambition and contentment. On one hand, ambition pushes us to set goals, strive for success, and reach new heights. On the other hand, contentment encourages us to embrace the present moment and appreciate what we already have. The Stoic approach teaches us that both of these forces can coexist, but the key lies in finding balance. To pursue our goals with passion, we must remember that success is not the source of our happiness. Our ability to accept the present moment and appreciate the journey is. Ambition should be a driving force, but it should not consume us or make us feel incomplete. By cultivating contentment, we shift our focus from what we lack to what we have, fostering peace in the process. Stoicism reminds us that we can work toward our goals without being attached to the outcome. The process itself, the growth, and the learning along the way are what truly matter. In a world full of uncertainties, resilience is the key to thriving. The ancient Stoics understood this deeply, emphasizing that resilience begins in the mind. They believed in preparing for challenges before they arise, embracing discomfort, and turning setbacks into opportunities for growth. Marcus Aurelius, a young ruler with immense responsibilities, found his strength through reflection and principles, teaching us that resilience is about mindset, preparation, and determination. Life is unpredictable, but by accepting this truth, we empower ourselves to adapt and grow. When faced with setbacks, ask yourself, what's within my control? This simple question shifts your perspective, helping you focus on actionable steps. It's not about suppressing emotions, but understanding and using them as a guide. The Stoics taught that we can control our responses, and that is where true strength lies. Reflection becomes a powerful tool. Writing down your challenges, your responses, and your plans for moving forward creates clarity and intention. Resilience and balance go hand in hand. The Stoic wisdom of amor fati teaches us to love our fate, to accept every twist and turn of life, both the successes and the struggles, as part of the whole journey. Through continuous practice, starting with small, meaningful steps, whether it's daily reflection, embracing discomfort to grow, or seeking support from others, each action strengthens our inner resolve. Over time, these practices transform challenges into opportunities and build a foundation for a resilient, purposeful life. So commit to your growth, embrace the journey, and let the power of resilience guide you. Strive for your ambitions while staying grounded in the present. Live better, think deeper, build resilience. If this video added value to your life, don't forget to subscribe to Sage Chronicles. Like, share, and comment to join the conversation and be the first to see it first in the future.